Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings and scrolling down right away. Then click on Passwords and Security. Now select Screen Lock and click on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. After that, you need to read the disclaimer and choose Got It after 5 seconds. Then create your login method and repeat it. After that, select Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint as well, you can do that by selecting Add in this pop-up and following all of the instructions. If you don't want to, just tap on Cancel. Now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!